Hey everyone, welcome! Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of machine embroidery: thread tension. Getting it right is the secret to clean stitches. First, understand your machine's current tension.
And I have my bobbin thread is black and the top thread is going to be green.
A simple test with different colored top and bobbin threads is easiest.
And just that quick, our satin column is done. Now, as I mentioned before, my bobbin thread is black. And as you see here, you don't see any black thread at all on the front of this fabric, all right? You see.
Instead of complex designs, use a simple lowercase l from the preloaded sans serif font on your machine. Simple satin stitches clearly show tension issues. After stitching, look closely. If bobbin thread is visible on the front, top tension is too tight. Now flip over the hoop and look closely.
Let's look on the back. Now on the back, you see a little bit of the green and then you see the black bobbin thread.
The back should show 2/3 bobbin to 1/3 top thread ratio. This means the top thread is slightly looser, which is ideal. Let's see what's a bad tension.
I'm going to raise my tension. Now, right now, my perfect tension on my machine is set at 3. All right, so let's move it to, let's say 5 and see what happens.
Seeing the bobbin thread on the front is caused by top tension is too tight or the bobbin tension too loose. Loose top tension shows loops and too much top thread on the back. Find the sweet spot.
So with my tension on 5, it's giving me some issues already. So it's not wanting to come off the machine. So let me cut it. And what I noticed it did was there's some of the black bobbin thread on top. Now my machine did not like that being set on 5. Notice there's a bit of that black bobbin at the bottom. Let's look at the back. And on the back, look at the difference between the two. Look at that wide amount of the black bobbin thread and a very small amount of the top thread. That's too little of the top thread on the back. The tension is off.
Remember to start with this simple test and the 2/3 bobbin to 1/3 top thread ratio rule. Have you struggled with embroidery tension? What are your go-to tips? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's help each other learn together. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more embroidery insights. Happy embroidering!